AutoCAD's interface is considered as a multi-document environment. This means we can have more than one drawing open at a time. Opening multiple drawings is a great way to compare geometry from one drawing to another. It also allows us to take components from one drawing and place them in another. In this lesson, we are going to learn how AutoCAD allows us to work with multiple drawings. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see I have already got a drawing. This is a floor plan of a residence. At this point, I would like to open another drawing. To do that, I am going to come up to the quick access toolbar and click open icon from here and choose another drawing to open. Now at this point, I have two drawings open in my AutoCAD interface and you may be wondering where to locate the other file. There are a couple of ways to do that. Let me show you where you can go to view the other drawing. We can simply click the tab with the drawing name and that will open up the drawing. Another way is I will come up and click the view tab on the ribbon and then I am going to come down to the Windows panel right here. I have got an icon that says switch windows. This tool will allow me to flip from one open drawing to another. If I click the icon, notice AutoCAD gives me a menu showing me the two drawings. This checkbox shows me which drawing is current on my screen. If I want to flip to the other drawing, I can simply select it from the list. If I want to flip back, we can come up and click switch windows and we can grab the other drawing. Let me show you a keyboard shortcut that will allow us to do the exact same thing. If I hit Ctrl plus Tab on my keyboard, I can jump to the next open drawing once again. If I hit Ctrl Tab, I can jump back. Now, what if I want to view more than one drawing at the same time? I have got an icon right here that represents tile vertically. If I click this, AutoCAD will split my screen and allow me to view each drawing and in its own separate window side by side. Now this is like having multiple versions of AutoCAD running at the same time because I can pan, zoom, work in this file, or if I click inside this drawing, put the focus on this window, I can pan, zoom and work in this file. How can opening multiple drawings help in a drawing? Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm working on my floor plan and if in this bedroom I would like to place a wardrobe here, but instead of drawing new geometry, I can steal components of this file and place it in the other one. Let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to click inside this window. This will put the focus on this drawing. To move my geometry, I will click on it to select it and then I will place my cursor over the dashed line work and click and hold. This copies the line work to my cursor and then I will drag it into the other drawing and release. Now that I am done, I don't need this drawing anymore. I can move up and click the X to close. I'm not going to save my changes and then I can maximize this drawing on screen. Don't forget, when you are using AutoCAD, you never have to draw the same thing twice. If we are using the multi-document feature, we can quickly move geometry from one file into another.